In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto into your RedotPay wallet so you can use it to spend via their virtual or their physical card. So to deposit any cryptocurrency, we first need to have the RedotPay app downloaded and we have to have an active account. So if you need to download the app, I'll leave a link in the description below and you get $5 for free in USDC. To deposit crypto, go to the plus icon, which is going to be the black deposit button. Then you can choose what cryptocurrency you want to deposit. I'm going to deposit Bitcoin. Then I'm going to deposit via BTC on-chain. Then we have a barcode or a Bitcoin address, which we can either scan or copy. So I'm going to copy this Bitcoin address and I'll head over to my external wallet. Here I am in my external wallet. I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and what we'll do is we'll go ahead and send it. So we'll click on the send icon and then we can select how much Bitcoin in dollars we want to send. So I'll just send $20. We can then click continue. It's going to ask us for a BTC address, which we can go ahead and paste from RedotPay. Then we can preview, click OK, and we can then confirm that transaction. So here you can see RedotPay has noticed our transaction, and there you go, just like that, it has now appeared in the balance, and we can now go ahead and use this to spend in the real world.